Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Josh.
Louder, louder. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Josh.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sid.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Good, Safe, good. Safe, can I have a marker, please?
Yes, you can.
Good, Safe. Thank you. Good. Can I have a phone, please?
No, you can.
Good job, Safe. Safe, is she a girl or a boy?
She is again.
Good. What's her name?
Her name is Azim.
Good. Is he a boy or a girl?
He is a boy.
Louder.
He is a boy.
What's his name?
His name is.
What's his name?
His name is.
Louder.
His name is Mo.
Good, Safe. Safe, do you have a phone?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Good. Do you have a marker?
No, I don't.
Good job. Give me a 5, Safe. Very good job. Safe, 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 safe. You're a winner, Safe. You're a winner. Your mom's gonna be happy. You did good. Good job, Safe. Moment, let's go.
Sorry. Say sorry.
It's okay, Moment. You're a kid. You don't have to say sorry. All right. Remember, can I?